In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Live Wallpapers for free on Windows 11. This allows you to set moving or animated backgrounds on your desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now, click on the search bar at the top and type Lively Wallpaper. Select Lively Wallpaper from the results and click Install. Wait for it to download and install. Once it's done, click Open. Now inside the app, go to the Library section. Here, you'll find a collection of free live wallpapers. To apply one, simply click on any wallpaper you like. It will instantly be set as your desktop background. If you want to use your own custom wallpaper, click on the plus icon. Then select Choose a file. Now, pick a video file from your computer and click Open. Your custom live wallpaper will now be applied. You can also download more wallpapers by searching online for motion backgrounds and importing them into the app. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.